Have you ever considered to buy a new computer or a new smartphone? If yes, then what will you do to treat your old ones? Trade in for money? Donate to the NGOs? Recycling? Or simply to the landfill? According to the Environmental Protection Department, there are about 70,000 tons of e-waste generated per year in Hong Kong. If we don't treat them properly, the poison metal content will leach to the underground water and contaminate the soil and land. We Park at Tuen Mun can treat 3,000 tons of e-waste per year. However, how about the rest of the e-waste? In this project, we are going to discuss the sustainable management of e-waste through ESG and corporate sustainability. ESG management is a comprehensive way that takes sustainability and the ethical impact brought to the stakeholders into account. With the rapid application of sustainable development, stock market investors are now heavily investigating the sustainability efforts made by the company and incorporating sustainable development in their investment decisions. To stay competitive, companies are now taking a great step forward to integrate environmentally friendly processes to proper ESG rating. Some scholars state that for companies who dedicated to devote efforts to e-waste management can enhance the ESG performance. For instance, one of the ESG rating system, MSCI, included electronic waste in their scoring criteria. Companies showing their efforts in e-waste collection and recycling are rewarded with higher marks in the rating system. As such, organizations are now implementing different approaches proactively to address the e-waste issue through reduction in waste generated, waste disposed, green product design, and end-of-life product recycling program. In ESG, Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) is a concept that the responsibility of product lifecycle on the producer is extended to post-consumer stage. Producers shall also provide incentives for the consumer to properly recycle the end-of-life product. To achieve higher quality of recycling, scholars also suggest that the producer shall seek to reduce the variety of material used in the manufacturing process. Let's take a look at how different organizations take the EPR into practice.
Choosing the most effective method for managing electronic waste, through recycling, incineration, or landfill, is a critical decision for industries. Let's explore Panasonic Group, a leading company exemplifying sustainability management. Panasonic's commitment is evident in its green impact targets, aiming for a CO2 reduction impact of 300 million tons by 2050, net zero CO2 emissions from all factories by 2030, and a waste recycling ratio of 99% or more by 2024. Examining their ESG activities report reveals a strategic focus on resource efficiency. Panasonic is actively reducing the input of virgin resources, with 28% iron and 10% plastic resources being sourced sustainably. This aligns with their Green Impact Plan 2024 target, emphasizing the use of recycled resources and advancements in recycling technologies. Panasonic employs life cycle assessment, LCA, to comprehensively evaluate the environmental impact of their products at every stage, from materials and manufacturing to transportation, use, and disposal. About Panasonic Group target, zero waste emission from factories. Embracing the product-to-product concept, Panasonic leads in the reuse of resin recovered from used home appliances. By collaborating with recycling facilities like the Panasonic Eco Technology Center and Kato Plastic Recycling Factory, they efficiently purify and process recycled resins, integrating them seamlessly into new products. Active in development and use of new sustainable materials. Panasonic also pioneers the development and use of sustainable materials. In 2019, they introduced a PP resin containing plant-derived cellulose fiber, a key additive to their molding material. This breakthrough technology facilitated the creation of reusable cups and the innovative Panda bamboo tumbler, demonstrating their commitment to waste material utilization. For building a recycling scheme for scrap iron. Notably, since 2013, Panasonic has operated a recycling scheme for scrap iron in collaboration with Tokyo Steel Company. This initiative recovers scrap iron from used home appliances, transforming it into steel sheets that are repurchased as materials for new products. Over the past decade, this effort has resulted in recycling over 2.6 tons of steel annually, contributing to the circular economy. In essence, Panasonic's comprehensive approach to sustainability management stands as a noteworthy model for industries aiming to responsibly handle electronic waste, minimize environmental impact, and contribute to a circular economy.
Now I will use Apple as the example of e-waste to explain how the company expands the use of recycled materials across its products. Apple has pioneered innovations in the recycling and sourcing of materials to spur industry-wide change. To help its recycling partners build on this momentum worldwide, Apple today announced its newest recycling innovation, TAS, a machine that uses a groundbreaking approach to improve material recovery from traditional electronics recycling. In 2021, 59% of all the aluminum Apple shipped in its products came from recycled sources, with many products featuring 100% recycled aluminum in the enclosure. Apple has also made significant progress toward the company's goal to eliminate plastics from its packaging by 2025.
So, how about Tesla? Tesla is a multinational automotive and clean energy company. In 2023, there are 8,000 Tesla electric cars in Hong Kong. Electric cars don't have gearbox, they use battery. So, could we only dispose the car battery? When the Tesla battery goes to the end life, the battery materials are refined and put into a cell. Inside the cell, the materials will be extracted and reused over and over again. About 92% battery cell material will be recovered, such as nickel, copper, and cobalt. Extracted material could also be used for electrify the home appliances for second life application. Extraction technologies are keep on developing, and in the future, the cost of recovery of batteries will become lowered and cause less pollution to the environment.
How could ESG benefit our society in e-waste problem? First, we need to know what is social pillar. It is referring one of the three pillars of sustainable development. It focuses on promoting equality, respect of individual rights, and addressing social issues within a company and society. In these cases, we're focusing on the community relationship, which supporting the local community through investment partnership. An NGO called Hong Kong Credits have worked with multiple electronic suppliers and the Hong Kong Jackie Club to recycle the old laptop generated by the company. It's created a win-win situation that the program have created 30 low-tech job opportunity and gain profit from selling the second-hand computer device. Also, it reduced the threat of the landfill and providing a better company image.
Hong Kong WEED Recycling Association also collaborated with different multinational companies to hold regular recycling program. It creates synergy on e-waste management with the community. Recycling company Alpha Integrated Waste Solution Limited collaborated with BSH Home Appliance Limited in donating refurbished home appliances to the attendants of Kong Hawaii and United Court Transitional Housing. It also sustained the lifespan of the appliance.
Reviewing back from the case studies of the e-waste management from Panasonic, Apple, Tesla, Hong Kong Jockey Club, NGOs, and other local programs, it shows that with the ESG target, institutions will take more initiatives in reduce, reuse, and recycle the e-waste.